Okay, so we are again to solve seed 7 recursion problem. Okay, so they are a very easy problem in between from A to till I think J or K. All our problem are very easy, and I try to solve more standard problem like knapsacks, uh, Fibonacci, maximum pass sum, number of ways. Okay, so let's try to solve this number of ways. Okay, today. So problem is number of ways here. So given a two number S and E, where S denote a start point, E denote the end point, determine how many possible way to reach point E if you can move either one step, two step or three step at a time. Okay. So the question is very straightforward. So we have given S and we have given E. Okay. So we can either one step, can take one step, can take two step, can take three step, and I have to reach till S. How many ways I can do? Okay, so let's try this. Example is 5. E is 5. Okay, is 5. So E is 5. So I can go 3 step at once. So 5 become 2. 5 minus 3 will become 2. So I reach a start point 2. So this is one way. Okay, this is one way. And I have another way, like I can choose two step. So two step, 5 minus 2 will become 3, and 5 minus 1 I can go for one step. 5 1 minus 1 will become 4. Okay, and I have to reach till 2. Okay, and 3 has two option right now. It can go for 3 step. 3 minus 3, it becomes 0, and it definitely less than 2, less than our start. That means it will never reach the path. Okay, this is not a path. And again 3 minus 2 will become 1. 1 is also a less than start, so it will not a path. 3 minus 1 will become 2. Okay, I reach start, so this is one the path. Okay, so let's try with using 4. 4 has option 3. So 4 minus 3, when you do, it become 1. So 1 is a less than start, so it is not a path. Okay, 4 minus 2 will become 2, and 2 is a path, so this is a third step. Okay, and 4 minus 3 will do 4. Okay, now 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 4 minus 3 will become 1. 4 minus 2, and again 4 1 minus, it become 3. Okay, you can check, we will count again 3 or twice. So here we can store the value, memorize it, or use iterative DP to solve this question, because these are the overlapping sub problems are there. It is a very frequent question of DP. So 3 steps are there. So again 3 can reach 2 by one step. So this is the again one way. This is a second way. This is a third way. This is a fourth way. So what I observe that from this path, like when they will reach S, like here 2, this 2, this 2, we should return 1. You should return 1, because here come 1, here come 1, here come 1, here come 1, and if you all add the all value, it become 4 path, and we have to find the all path. So 4. And whenever you the second observation that we actually get from it, that if it is less than equal to start, you should return 0. Like here it is less than 2, it becomes 0, because it is not always, it is never be our pass. So if you return 0, so addition of the last input, it will never be affected. So 1 plus 0 always with 1. So return 0 should be if less than equal to S. So this is our base case. What is our recursive equations? So if it is n, if it is end, I can go E minus 3, E minus 2, E minus 1. Okay, this is our recursive equation. If less than S, then return 0. If equal S, then return 1. That's it. Okay, so let's try it solving this question. So we have to LLS comma e, same as e, and again so LLS comma e, and what the input are there? Okay, we have to find the pass. Okay, so LL answer equal to base, and we have to pass to input s comma e. Okay, and C out answer. Okay, so LL way, LL start comma LL end. Okay, if and is less than start. Okay, so return 0. If and equal start, then return 1, and for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. So let's suppose LL answer equal to 0, so answer plus equal to way, and start comma and minus I. Okay, that's it. Return answer. Okay, I think it's correct, and 2 comma 5 is our first input. Let's run it. Okay, giving the line time error because I'm not doing any input. To 2 comma 5 are there, and just taking. It's giving 4. So let's suppose if it is 1 comma 5. So what is the answer should be? Okay, it is the answer is 7. Let's try to check it. How is 7? Okay, now start is 1, so less is 5. 5 will call 5 minus 3 will become 2. 5 minus 2 will become 3. 5 y minus 1 become 4. 2 has only one possible. 2 minus 2 will 0. 0 is never be path, it will return 0. So 0 it will return 0. 2 minus 1 equal to 1 is return 1. Okay, and 2 minus 3 will minus 1, it will also return 0. So 3 minus 3 0, return 0. 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 is 1, is return 1. Again is 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2. Again it will call, again given that same 2 overlapping some column. Again it will given 4. 4 as option 3 2 1. So 1 is also path. 3 path actually find. This is one path, this is second path, this is third path, and again this 3 will again give in the 1, this 4 path. Okay, this also 2 also give the same path, 5 path, and also this is given 2, again 6 path, and 3 also given 2 again, and is 7 path. So there is a paths are there. Okay, you can check it even if you want, like how you find all paths. Okay, it's a tree structure, and let's try to solve, let's try to submit this. So what is our time complexity is 3 over n, because we have a 3 passer there. Okay, this is the exponential, and space complexity over 1. Okay, time complexity is over 3 over n. So because 5 has 3 options, like 5 minus 3 will become 2, 5 minus 2 will become 3, 5 minus 1 will become 4. Again 2 minus 3 become minus 1, 2 minus 2 equal become 0, 2 minus 1 become 1, and these two are written 0, this one written 1. 3 minus 3 become 0, 3 minus 2 become 1, 3 minus 2 2 become 1, because 2 gives value 1. okay, only once. So this is 1, this is 2, and this 2 also 1, giving 1 3. Okay, 4 giving 3. Okay, 4 giving 2, 4 giving 1, and here 3 gives 2 1 by the, so it also gives 2 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, and 2, this will give again 1 1, so it becomes 6, and this one becomes 7. Okay, this is the second part. Okay, so check it out. If you have any doubt, please comment on it out, or comment on in the video. I will actually I will definitely uh, reply. So let's try to submit it. Okay, I will submit I will try to post every solution of every question solution. Okay, so we'll get the actual overview how to solve recursive equations. Okay, okay, our code is accepted and you can check it out. Very easy. Another thing that you can do is, like, here I use a loop for 1 2 3. You can just use like way start and the -1, again plus and the -2, like Fibonacci, or comma start again plus start and the -3. You can do this thing. Okay, plus ways. Okay, this is the thing you can do. Okay, s and the -3 again. So but here loop is very useful for us. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I will definitely post a whole entire our recursion series. Recursion series is very important, and definitely I'll try to, again after recursive equation, I'll try to do start some CSCS DP solution. Okay, CSCS DP section. But before it, try to solve each and every recursive equations. Okay. Thank you.